Now cover how to use expanded dashboard permissions plus default dashboard. Experience expanded option for setting custom permissions on your dashboards. Now, not only can you set permissions for different roles, including account admins and account users, but you can also have more control over who can view, edit, and manage them. First, go to Go Higher Level sub account, then click Dashboard, then click three dots in the right side. Select Manage Permission option. It will open a pop-up. Here you can enable private dashboard if you want, and also change other settings if you need. Here I'm keeping it default. Just click Save button to save the changes. This permission will affect the dashboard and display the boxes according to the permissions. This is the way we can use expanded dashboard permission plus default dashboards. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.